Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting power and range right. Insert 2 AAA batteries with correct polarity. A misflip prevents any signal. Once done, position yourself 1 to 3 meters from the focus light so pairing is stable, not too close. Now press and hold the remote on button for 3 seconds until the light flashes. This establishes a basic connection. Doing it immediately avoids errors later when you start configuring modes and brightness. You now pick the right mode and fine-tune the beam. Use the mode toggle to select preset, manual, or strobe. Preset saves time, manual gives precise control. Once in manual, rotate the focus ring slowly while watching the beam edge to reach the desired hotspot and spill pattern. Then use the +/- buttons to raise or lower brightness in small steps. Changing by 1% prevents overshooting, so you get consistent lighting for the task at hand. You finish by saving settings and verifying operation. To store your custom focus and brightness, press Mode and OK together for 2 seconds until the indicator blinks. This prevents accidental loss. If the remote becomes unresponsive, swap batteries and repeat the power-on pairing step, because low voltage commonly breaks communication. If the beam flickers or shifts, make sure the lens is clean and the focus ring is snug. Clean optics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.